Today I'm gonna share with you guys how to remove bad odor from your vanity. Very simple. Like you see underneath the sink, and there's the pipe, white, and that's what they call a P trap. All you have to do is remove the nut on the top, and then the other nut too. To lose it, make sure you turn counterclockwise to open it up. Before you do, make sure you have a small bucket or any kind of container put underneath the pipe, because once you lose it up, there's water inside there. That, that water to prevent the the sewer light coming up. That's what they call a peach trap. As you can see, the water begin to come in now. As you can see how dirty it is inside there, because over the year, over the month, it built up all the stuff in there. That's why it gives you a bad odor. You can use baking powder or a bleach to clean, but it's not gonna last long. This is the best way. Just remove the pipe. And on top, the, the vanity, I use like anything, electrical wire or a brush, the old one, and clean the inside there, because it's built up right in there. And you may even see some hair inside there. But make sure you have a bucket underneath to catch in all the goodie falling down there. And if you have a spray bottle, use it, because it's put down more stronger water. As you can see how dirty it is down there. Or you can turn on the water, but make sure you have a bucket, something to catch in all the water falling down. Can you all see that? That's why it make a very bad smell. I use the bamboo stick to clean it down, or anything small to go down there and clean around the pipe. Now I'm using the spray bottle. I clean it because it's very strong. But if you don't have it, you just turn on the water. That will do the job. And I'm continuing to spray the water down to the water pipe to clean it up. There's still a little bit left in there, so I'm going to do some more cleaning. You can use anything. I use the bamboo stick or a brush, you know, the old one. And there is a lot of hair down there. Please don't forget to have a bucket or any kind of container underneath the pipe. As you can see how dirty it looks right there. I use a spray bottle, so it is stronger, and I spray around the pipe. Next, I remove the other pipe too. Just loose it, turn it counterclockwise, and twist it a little bit. Like you all can see how dirty is that. It built up over the year. That's where you get all the bad smell coming out of your vanity. And I look inside the rain pipe, and there is a little bit hair in there, so I'm using a stick to remove it, or anything, wire. See, that's the electrical wire. I just twist it around there and I pull it out. You see? See, I'm using the brush. You know, the brush to brush your teeth. I clean inside the pipe. As you can see how dirty it is. The water all black. Inside the pipe is all black. Very dirty. Now what we do is we're using a toothbrush, and get the water hose spray, and you clean it all up inside the pipe and around. And then after that we're gonna install the bike, and we will have a nice and clean, fresh Vanity. No more smell. Before you connect the bike, make sure you connect the elbow first, slightly in, and then you twist the other nut, and then the other slowly. Don't try to take all in one shot.